Hi, Mr. Aslan, the landlord here on Friday, 3rd of July 2020, and the time is coming up to 1700 hours. It's probably 16:59 or so, 4:59, almost 5 o'clock, and I'm about to make pesto. So I'm going to use steamed potatoes. I've got four baby new potatoes which I've steamed for 20 minutes. I left the skin on because the skin has a lot of nutrients. However, if you prefer a nicer color, you can peel the skins, but then you'll get less nutrition. So it depends on you what your priorities are. I'm also going to put these cloves of whole garlic which I've peeled. Okay, put the whole lot in there. Okay, what else goes in there is sweet basil. I've got one packet here which I'm going to use the stems as well as the leaves, and I've got another packet here and I'm just going to use the stems of the second packet, and then one dollop of Dijon mustard, grainy Dijon mustard. This is whole grain Dijon mustard. And then I'm going to put a little bit of soy milk, and then I'm going to blend it in my blender, and then it'll be a nice pesto paste. If you put less soybean milk, then it'll be thicker. Okay, and I'm going to use it in my sandwiches. Okay, so once it's done, I'll probably show you what the end result is like. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.